And as I was mentioning, the tension changes these stitches just a tad bit. Just remember though, the tension is the amount of thread that passes through. So with the zigzag stitch that I just done there, I did it from here. I did it from 5 all the way down to 0. Okay, and as you can see here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, I did it up to 4. But as you can see with 0, it's closer. It let out less thread, and as it went up, it let out more thread. So tension is the amount of thread that passes through. Okay, and this is your tension button on this machine, and this is your stitch select. Okay, and your back stitch here. Okay, so the next question on this machine was why the stitches are the same here. Okay, you have A, B, C, D, E, and F as listed in your or as stated in your manual. Okay, so I don't know if you noticed that the lines are left stitch, middle, right stitch. So pay attention to the needle. Okay, so let me move it here. Okay, so you're gonna see A is left stitch, how the needle move. B, C, D, and E are all middle stitches. Okay, and then F is the right stitch. So let's go backwards. F is the right stitch. You have a middle stitch, middle stitch, middle stitch, middle stitch, and then back to A, you have a left stitch. Okay, left stitch A, B, C, D, E are all middle stitches. I'm just going to switch to a right stitch. Okay, middle, right, middle, left. Okay, that's the difference.